Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel's VBA series. In today's video, I'll talk about operators. What is operator in VBA? So an operator is a symbol used to perform a specific task on or more values. So how many types of operators are there in VBA? There are mainly four types of operators. One is arithmetic operators, second is comparison operator, third is logical operator, and fourth is string operator. So let's talk about it in detail. What is arithmetic operators? Just like plus, minus, divide, multiply, and mod, and exponential. So adding two operands. That means here, if you want to add a plus b, so a and b both are operands. So on, right? Modulus operator. Actually, if you want to divide some values, just like that, 2 divided by 2, just like 2 mod 2. The answer is 0. That means there is no remainder. So to find out the even number, and exponential operator is just like 4 to power 2. That means 4 multiply by 4, 4 to power 2. So exponential is a power. So here this symbol is nothing but a power symbol, right? This exponential operator. Let's move on to the comparison operators. What is comparison operators? It's actually compare two operands, a and b. These are the two operands. You are comparing two operands, right? Not equal to, greater than, less than, and less than equal to, and greater than equal to. So these are the comparison operators here. What is logical operator? Logical operator works if both the conditions are true, then use it true, right? And or is either of the condition is true, then the statement is true. And not, that means if all the conditions not met, then the condition is true. And XOR, that means the exclusion, and it is not our operator. If one of the expression evaluates to be true, the result is true, otherwise false. Let's move on to the string operators. Basically, in string operators category, there are two operators. One is AND operator, what we call %, and concatenation as well, and the like operators. So in AND, we actually join two strings to concatenate it, just like in Excel, right? Concatenation. And like operator is just like you wanna search in a string, you wanna search this value, just like. So going forward, I'll also talk about instr string. So it works similar, right? So let's move on to the practical stuff. We'll see each one of them in detail. So here I wanna declare two variable, a as integer, b as a equal to, say for example 6, b equal to 5. Now in message box, if I want to add two values, a plus b, you'll get 11, right? So let me hit that 11. So if you subtract this value, so it will be 1. If you divide it, see 1.2, and then a multiply b 30, and a mod b 1. That means 6 divided 5, remainder will be 1, right? And a to power b, a to power b. So the answer would, that means multiplying 6 5 times, so it will be 7776. Let's make it 2 then. A equal to 2 to power 5, that will be 32. We are done with this arithmetic operator. Let's move on to the comparison operator. So let's copy it and then paste it here. A equal to b, that means answer will be false because a is not equal to b, right? It's false. A greater than b, that means false again because a is less than b. So a less than b, yes, in this case it will be true. A less than equal to b, it will also be true. And a greater than b, false. A greater than equal to will also be false, right? So these are the A not equal to B. Yes, true, because A is not equal to B. Both are not similar. So we've covered comparison operator as well. So let's see the logical operator. So here, so I'll talk about logical operator later on when we'll talk about if and else. I'll talk about condition. So post that I'll talk about logical operator. Let me talk about string operator first. So if A as string and B is also string, so A equal to hello and B equal to word. So if I use string operator, is a concatenation operator, n percent. So what will be the answer? Hello. I'll give a little space here. So what will be the answer? Hello world, because it has joined the two string over here, right? You can say hello, right? A like double L, and then I'll apply. Star means so any word could be there. I mean, before double L and after double L, right? It is true, true, because LL falls in this. If I make LB, say for example, it will be false because this string does not contain LB. The A string, right? If I put here OR, so it will be false. But if I change B here, so it will be true because now in word OR is there, right? So I'll use this. So this is the string operator, right? So that's it for today's video. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.